Our 4-part protocol will increase both your crop yield and BRIX nutritional value by up to 30 to 50%. First, soluble mineral flakes, which are mixed into your irrigation water or center pivot fertigation system in the early growing season. Second, biologic soil improvement bacteria, which are also mixed in your irrigation water or center pivot fertigation system at the same time as the soluble mineral flakes or at any other time in the early growing season. Third, Foliar Mineral Spray, which is sprayed on the plant leaves or grass, and best applied when many leaves or forage grasses have appeared. Fourth, Spreadable Mineral Pellets for the dormant off-season or to distribute well before planting time. Ask about our Sample Success Test Kit, which is available for your own farm or golf course so you can easily see the amazing results.